Hey guys, today we are making Fiesta Lime Chicken on the grill.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun.
Look at that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com.
I am Mikey from recipes.crock.com.
And today we are turning a crock pot recipe into a grill recipe.
It's summer, or almost. By the end of this week, it will be. So we don't just cook in crock pots here, y'all. We do a lot, but I want to be outside having a nice frosty beverage and burning meat over the top of hot coals or hot propane flames or what have you. We have both. We're going to do it under propane today. But today we're going to take a crock pot recipe that is very, very popular and then show you how you can do it on the grill.
Yes, and if you hear that in the background, that is our many animals.
Yes, there's Ollivanders in the background dancing everywhere because Miss Ad is, well, she's currently cleaning our living room because she's a good little girl. The dog is not.
Well, he's a good little boy.
He's a good little boy.
Okay.
Very loud, very, very rambunctious little boy.
So if you hear noise in the background, that is what is going on. So I just wanted to mention really quickly that we got the idea for this crock pot recipe, which is Fiesta Lime Chicken, from one of our favorite low-carb cookbooks. This is Keto Restaurant Favorites, and we altered it a bit and converted it into a crock pot recipe. She does it in the oven, so if you're looking for the oven recipe, definitely pick up her cookbook. We're going to now convert it back, and we're going to do it on the grill because we've tried it that way too as a quicker way to kind of make it. We love how tender the chicken is in the crock pot version.
Yes. And
we just love that grill flavor that you get from the grilled flavor.
Back home, we call that the scorch.
The scorch.
The scald.
Okay, but first, this is one of those recipes where we're going to marinate for at least an hour. If you don't like to wait for things, you can make it the night before and leave it in the fridge and then just make it the next day.
Technically, you're waiting longer.
Well,
but it's totally worth the longer you do it, the better.
But you're not standing in the kitchen.
No.
Waiting.
No.
So what we're going to do right now is put together the marinade, and then we're going to see you out at the grill.
Yes. But first, let's put it all together.
Okay, so tell the good people what we have.
You need chicken. That is a bag of chicken. That is about 3 pounds, 3 to 4. You can fudge a little bit, but that's about 3 pounds of chicken. We put it in a Ziploc bag. That way we can have it sit there and marinate overnight.
Boneless, skinless. you can totally do either one.
And now we need 1 cup of chicken broth, and then we'll mix everything in with our chicken broth. You want 1/3 cup of soy sauce. You also want 3 tablespoons of sugar or a sugar substitute. Since we're doing low carb keto here, we're going to do 3 tablespoons of
I can never say the name of the actual sugar alcohol that it is.
Is that the erythritol?
Yeah.
Erythritol.
We do, I think there's a brand name called Sucrin, which is the one that we normally use, and then another one that's popular is called Swerve. We love them both.
Okay, and after you figure out what kind of it is you want to use, then you want to put in 3 cloves of minced garlic.
My goodness. He's using fresh garlic because we had some.
I was teaching Addie how to mince garlic today, so I was using fresh garlic. You can totally use freeze-dried if you want to. And then you want to have 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. And then you want to have salt to taste, probably just a pinch or 2 in there. And then you want to have 4 limes that you've juiced, and also in there we've got the zest of it. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe on the bottom you can kind of see it. I zested one of those limes. That's optional. You don't have to, but you totes can. It adds a lot more flavor. And then 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger right in.
Okay. And we don't have fresh, so we are using
powdered.
Powdered.
Which is fine too. That's fine all the way. So now all you want to do is mix that together.
Alright.
Using our fancy whisking method, using a fork. And then simply put it in your bag of chicken. And then what I like to do is roll it around so it makes sure it gets all over that chicken.
I got garlic on the floor.
Again, give the chicken a back rub. Get all the air out of there. Make sure you don't squirt any liquid out like I almost did. and just make sure it gets all over that chicken. Now we're going to marinate this for an hour, so probably in about a half hour, I'm going to do this. Okay? If you're going overnight, you don't have to get up at like 4 a.m. and then flip your chicken. You don't have to. I just want to make sure that all that acid from the lime, all those juices, all those flavors, they evenly soak into both sides of that chicken. Gravity's going to do this thing, pull to the bottom, so you flip it over about halfway through, and all that's going to do is just add more flavor to it.
I would put this on a plate away from like your fresh fruits and vegetables because it is raw chicken.
Yes, and even though we've taken all precautions and made sure it's all in the bag, you just want to make sure. Be safe. Safety first, y'all. But then, after that, you get it marinated. After that, we're going to put it on the grill. After at least an hour, but in your case, that'll be 3, 2, 1. So, we actually let this go for about 2.5 hours in the fridge to let it marinate because it started raining. Because it's Indiana. And this year in Indiana, all it does is rain. It stopped raining for a while and we thought, well, it'd be a good time to grill. And then it started raining, so we waited. And it's still raining. I checked the phone. It's gonna be raining for the next few hours and I don't wanna grill this up in the dark. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Mikey, why didn't you just put it in the oven and broil it? Because Cris promised you grilled chicken. And I work for Cris now. So I'm gonna go get wet. I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, might be a good idea when you put this in a bag, double bag it, because one bag may leak and you don't want it to leak all over your fridge, so double bag it when you do your marinade. I'm gonna take this out there, I'm gonna use my tongs, I'm gonna pull it out of the bag one by one, put it on the grill. I'm gonna grill it for 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it over and grill it for 7 more minutes. 7 minutes in heaven, y'all. Perfection on either side. I'll be right back. I have to go get wet. Help! Still raining. Seven minutes. I'm gonna go dry off. Oh yeah. The first 7 minutes has happened. Now it's time to go flip the chicken in the rain. Yep, still raining. Computer, set a timer for 7 minutes. Just enough time to dry off before I go out there and get the chicken. Oh yeah. Computer, stop. That alarm says that 7 minutes has passed and I need to go get my chicken. In the rain. Probably shouldn't have my towel out there so that I can get dry later. I forgot to shut the grill off. Well, it's just sprinkling now that I'm done grilling. I know it's wet. That's all I'm saying, it's time to make the sauce. And we are back, and the chicken has been grilled. The husband has been thoroughly soaked. And now it is time. I can't hear a darn thing with this. I kept hearing all I could hear was my thoughts. So now we got our chicken all grilled up. Take a look at that chicken. That is a thing of beauty right there in itself. And we're about to make beauty beautifuler.
Yes.
Beautifuler.
So we're going to make a creamy sauce to go over all this chicken.
Yes.
And you can just eat it as a side dish. If you're not eating low carb, you can eat it over rice. If you are eating low carb, you could put it in a low carb tortilla, or you could eat it with any of your other favorite low carb sides. The sauce is incredible though. So what you do for the sauce is a cup of mayo along with a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of I'm getting ahead of myself here. Half a cup of salsa. Now, low carbers, pay attention to your carb counts on the salsa front, because some salsas add added sugars and you don't want that. You want to just go with as much just salsa as you can.
And we're doing a medium salsa here. We're
Yep.
nothing too hot.
1/4 of a cup of chicken broth. A teaspoon of cumin.
And I can't believe that's all she's
I
doing.
know, I'm actually letting that one ride, even though I usually am like, let's dump the whole thing in there. A teaspoon of dried parsley. And then to that, we're going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning to taste.
We're using Slap You Mama.
Yeah. Cajun seasoning, and then also a little bit of hot sauce.
Just a dash. It depends on how much heat you want. If you like a lot of heat, put a lot in there. We just put just a little.
So we just mix this up until it becomes a nice creamy sauce. And if you notice, we put the chicken in a casserole dish so that this creamy sauce can just get all over the chicken. We also have prepared a cup of shredded cheddar cheese to top this with, and then also sliced lime. That chicken right now has a wonderful lime flavor to it, and this is just going to enhance it, and then you'll have the sliced lime to give even more limey goodness. But it's okay, it doesn't have to be perfectly mixed. You're gonna love this sauce. Okay, ready to pour the sauce
Now let's
on?
pour that right over the top of that chicken.
You
Watch
ready?
this. Oh my goodness, yes.
So we just do this all over the top. Get it on all the chicken. And then you just cover with the shredded cheese. I don't even like try to melt the cheese anymore. I just let it, I just go and sprinkle it on top. I kind of just like how it turns out like this. I just serve it straight up like this.
And I eat it straight like that. It
Yeah.
is so good. You know, every once in a while it's okay for us to take a break from the crock pots.
Oh yeah. Now I like this in the crock pot too, so you guys will have to check out that version. But then all you do is you take that and you serve it up on a plate with some of your limes and
Look at
go
that.
for it. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
I'm just going to get one more shot of this.
Okay.
Look at that. Alright. Well, she can wash her hands. My hands are clean. In fact, I'm clean all over because I just took a massive natural shower.
Aww.
Grab a plate. What are we going to serve that with? We got...
You can just use
No, spatula's better. Or spoon.
metal spoon.
That'll work. I'm just going to grab a little bit here. Make sure I get... Oh, yeah, there's a good thigh there with some cheese on it.
You gonna go see him?
Here in a minute. Not till I get my pretty garnish on. And a fork. A garnish. Hi. I feel like I'm getting ready to tell your fortune. Here it is. If you make
Delicious.
this chicken right here, your whole family will be happy. And you will invite me over for dinner. Just take the lime, sprinkle a little bit over the top just like that. And then go to town. Get some of that cheese. And that, since they're chicken thighs that we're using, they just fall right apart with the fork. That is so good.
It is so yummy.
You could totally pop that in the oven and broil that cheese down if you want to. I think it's good just like that. Oh my gosh.
I like it this way. This is how we serve it off the grill. In the crock pot, we let it heat up and melt the cheese a little bit. You can have it either way.
Mmm. That makes that's good. That. You know what I should have done?
What should you have done?
I should have put the grill under a cabana and grilled that chicken there.
But then you couldn't have made such a big deal about it.
I'm gonna make a big deal about this chicken.
You
It was
are.
really good. Hey, if you like this, maybe this. Who knows? If you do, you're as weird as I am. That's good. We like you. Give us a thumbs up down below. Also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, see that subscriber list down there? I see all them people. You want to be a part of that crowd? All you got to do is click the subscribe button down below, and you're a welcome member of the Crock Posse. If you want to know as soon as we put up a new video, click that little bell next to it that we call the
Ding-a-ling.
And also, y'all, whatever you do, 1, stay out of the rain. 2, laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all.
What you think?
I think I'm cold from being in the rain all the whole time. Good thing I got this chicken to warm me up.
Hey guys, today we are making Fiesta Lime Chicken on the grill.
Almost oven. One more time, dang it.
Professional.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link.